One of the most important elements of organization is making sure you have the right tools. Organizer Lori Schlegel is here to share some of her favorite functional and stylish storage bins and containers. Are you reaching for these products all the time?
I am, yeah. The more people see ideas on Instagram and see how you can really actually make your cupboards and pantries look beautiful and incorporate more design, it's just more and more popular.
It helps, I think, maintain and keep things up.
It does.
So let's dive into your faves. This is the Hampton Woven storage bin.
Yes, I love this bin because it's so durable and it's easy to wipe out. It's really just a great bin, but it also has such a fun look to it and so fresh. I love all the white on it. I love these bins for clothing closets and then also pantries. I've used them in multiple pantries with clients. It's great for snacks, or even the cereal box will fit in there. You can line them up.
Where do we get these guys?
All of these that I'm going to show you are from the Container Store.
Okay, this is the water Hyacinth storage bin.
So this is a really fun bin because it adds texture to your space. I love using these in pantries, are actually a good one, or a mudroom. That's perfect. You know, you can put all of one kid's winter gear in there. Another fun look for these is on a bookshelf.
Oh.
It kind of creates, texture, storage, and just a pretty look on a bookshelf.
They're pretty, but you can tell they're sturdy too.
Yep.
I like this one. This is the beach house storage bin.
Love this one. It's a really fun, fresh look. Laundry rooms or linen closets are some of my favorites. You can actually put like a full sheet set, stack them all in here with the pillowcases, and there you go.
It almost looks like a Tiffany's spin on a hat box. This is called the Oscar storage bin.
Yeah, these are really pretty bins. I love these, and they're really affordable, and they come in different colors. I love using these like in a kid's room. My daughter loves to collect little things and trinkets, and her dresser gets so cluttered.
Yes, you too.
I can scoop it up, put them in here, and then in a month or two from now, we'll go through it and decide what we really like, but it keeps it neat and tidy.
I love it. All from the Container Store.
All from the Container Store.
Lori, thank you so much.